Okay, guys, how you guys doing this weekend? I just want to make a quick briefing for today. Uh, Mostly it's gonna be about what to expect, right? So basically, yesterday I kept calling like 407, 407, but oh well, it's day to expiration, so I cannot really hold it. Okay, so on SPY, uh, I was thinking that uh, this will go down, right? This will go down. Is it gonna be significant? I don't think so. So, from what I can see, right, already broke the 50 moving average. From what I see right here on the 4 hour, we might come down to the 50 moving average for tomorrow on Monday. So you might be thinking of shorting. It's gonna come down around like $2 or $3, $5, down to 401, 402, 402 levels. So make sure you put on the demand zone on the smaller time frame. I think there's some demand zone right over here. Right? Let's see. So we have a demand zone from here. This is the gap. Obviously, when there's a gap, there should be a demand zone, and then there's a demand zone right here that pushed the candle up in here. Yeah, and let's see. Let's do the analysis right now. Right. So what I'm expecting going back down to the 50, just like yesterday's trading. So something like this, right? We broke up the 50 and what happened? We retest the 50 moving average and then keep going up, right? The same thing that happened here. We broke up the 50 and then we come back down to the 50. We come back down to the 50 and keep bouncing up. That's what I'm expecting. So it's gonna be a short term bearish. So this one right here already broke the trend, right? From on SPY, we already broke the trend, and then we're ready to come down. So for on Monday, we should see this gonna bounce up to like 407 again, bouncing on the trend line, doing retests, and come back down to the demand zone, which is somewhere. It should be this one right here, 40, 404, 402. Yeah, we have demand zone here and demand zone here, but I don't know which one that they're gonna bounce at. So this demand zone, right, at 401, I mean 400, this demand zone or this demand zone. So let's see what happened tomorrow. I want to see some bounce on one of these key level or demand zone. And let's do a quick take as well on the other things like Tesla. Okay, the demand zone is pretty obvious. Yeah, it's this one right here. Yeah, this should be the demand zone. Right. I'm up with key levels. Let's see the 4 hour, just making sure. The 4 hour somewhere right here. Yeah, that's a 4 hour. Then yeah, there should be two of them here and here in the 1 hour. Okay, now in 5 minutes. Yeah, I don't really know the which one is the demand zone. I think it might be here or yeah, I'm not sure. But this is about to break the 50. I'm pretty sure we're going down somewhere, right? It could be, there should be a key level right here. let's see if I ever short Tesla, like this is the key level. If it breaks down, then I'm pretty sure I'm gonna take profit somewhere right here. Like if I ever trade Tesla on Monday, but most likely not. Just QQQ and SPY, Nvidia. My favorite stock to trade. This one is easy, right? This is the demand zone. Okay, this one is the demand zone. Should be easy to trade. Yeah, this one is about to break the 50 as well. So we might see like a $3 move on Nvidia, maybe to the downside. And then what else? Amazon. Okay, so for shorting, I think Amazon is the best right now. You can see the double top, right? And where's the demand zone? Yeah, this could be the demand zone right here since we have a gap. Maybe this one? Huh? I'll put this one. I will trade very carefully on Monday. And then we have a rising wedge type of trend. Just make sure, just in case this ever goes up, I'm gonna think of shorting right here. Down to somewhere at the... Ooh, we have a demand zone too right here, right? I'm gonna just put it as a key level, just in case, like if this ever goes down. I think this one will go down here, up the trend line, retesting the trend line, and goes back down here. Either here or this key level right here. Either here or this key level. So that would be $3, and depending on the market as well, right? So Apple, I think Apple has a lot of buyer since the September, the new release of the iPhone. I think on the third quarter, let's see, when is the earnings? The earnings will be at November. So I think I'm gonna play call pretty heavy over here on the before, like a week probably before the earnings. I'll play Apple pretty heavy. I'm pretty sure this gonna breaks the 50. Like I'm 100% positive it's gonna break the 50 during the earnings. No, probably already broken the 50. I think this will break the 50. I'm pretty positive on it. Yeah. Okay. What it looks like, from what I see on Apple, this is a very bullish formation, like very bullish. This is very bullish, guys. Might see the top on the 50. I mean on the 100 or the 50 moving average in the 4 hour. But let's see. I can't really predict anything right now. Unless the inflation will crush the market, right? But I doubt inflation is gonna be there. There's nothing significant right now on the inflation. So economic calendar for next week, I think there will be inflation, CPI. Yeah, next week is CPI on Tuesday. So let's see on Monday. Let's be careful on the trading. Don't size in, because we want to see the movement on Tuesday. Yeah, I'll keep that in my notes that we shouldn't size in on Monday. Okay, from the 1 day perspective, yeah, I think we might see a bull flag somewhere. A bull flag consolidation after after it broke the 50, we might see sideways movement for a little bit. But the sideways movement will determine if this is gonna be a bull flag, or if, like based on the news, or it's gonna break down. It's gonna be a failed bull flag, right? But I'm not seeing any sign of reversal. If there's any sign of reversal, I want to see it like, like a head and shoulder, or maybe a rising wedge coming up, and then we're gonna be pushing down further. But there's no sign of reversal yet. But I'm expecting there's sign of reversal on the 1 minute time frame, right? Which is like just a retracement back to the 50, like I said. Um, but overall, there's not gonna be any significant move. I'm expecting choppy before the inflation report. Nvidia, how about Microsoft? Let's see Microsoft. Yeah, it's the same thing. See, it's starting to look like a bull flag, right? How about 4 hour? 4 hour looks like, yeah, might gonna be breaking the 50, just like Apple. It looks like just like Apple. Pretty obvious. Looks like Apple in the 4 hour time frame. But this is very bullish. I mean, yeah, I should see one more down. Could be like some type of bull flag, and then push back up. Push back up to maybe the supply zones. Right, supply zones right after the 50. Maybe this thing will break. Usually, like after it broke the supply zone, there's a big impulse to the upside, right? QQQ. Yeah. See how it's doing? QQQ. Looks like a rising wedge. It's about to break the 50 as well. So my play on Monday will be QQQ short to the demand zone. This demand zone is pretty obvious. So easy to see. But SPY, I cannot really see it. Right? Oh, no, never mind. I can see it. So it should make sense. $3 down and then sideways, right? So on Monday, my only goal is to short it to $3 and then call it a day. Short it to $3 and then maybe some calls, but I'm not gonna size in. Yeah, I'm gonna play some calls too. Short and then calls right off the demand zone, and then I'm gonna take profit somewhere right here. Down, up, that's it. Call it a day. That's the easiest part to predict, and then the rest is I don't know. I don't want to stay too long on Monday because I love my life. When I enjoy my life, yeah, we're gonna see some downward movement. Okay, this is it for this week's review. I will do some more videos on the review as well. And then also I'm missing a Wyckoff study, right? And yeah, so I should be able to finish it somewhere on tomorrow, either tonight or tomorrow. I have to help my sister move today, so like, yeah. Well, let's see though. All right, see you guys.